Hi guys, welcome to today's session. Thank you all for your responses on yesterday. And our yesterday's quiz question was name the two unmanned aerial vehicles developed by DRDO. And the answer is it is the Nishant Tactical Unmanned Aerial Vehicle and the Lakshya, which is pilotless target aircraft PTA. So these are the two unmanned aerial vehicles developed by DRDO, the Nishant and the Lakshya. Let's now start today's session. First question for the day with reference to OTT over the top streaming recently seen in the news. Consider the following statement. Statement 1, it is streaming video content on television channels. Statement 2, the user can access the complete OTT service at their leisure. Which of the above statements are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. Guys, the correct answer here is it is option B 2 only. An over-the-top media service is any online content provider that offers streaming media as a standalone product. The term is commonly applied to video on demand platforms but also refers to audio streaming, messaging services, or internet based video calling solutions. Examples are your Netflix, Amazon Prime, Spotify, etc. And it need access to the internet and smartphones, tablets, laptop or computers. And the major comparison of OTT comes with DTH, that is direct to home service. It is a digital satellite service that provides television viewing services directly to subscribers through satellite transmission anywhere in the country, and the signals are digital by nature and are received directly from the satellite. And recently, these OTT platforms are overtaking DTH service providers. The convenience and ease with which OTT platforms can be watched makes it more attractive. Mobile phones can be carried anywhere, and the user can watch anything of choice anywhere, anytime, given the data availability. And the cost of data services have gone down drastically in the last few years, which has raised the number of average users using, including the rural areas as well. So that are the reasons for the preference of OTT over DTH. We'll now move to second question. Second question is with reference to Asian Productivity Organization APO. Consider the following statement. Statement 1, all Asian countries are members of it. Statement 2, it is headquartered in Tokyo. Statement 3, National Productivity Council of India established after the formation of Asian Productivity Organization. Which of the above statements are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C 1, 2 and 3, and option D 2 and 3 only. Guys, here statement 1 and statement 3 are wrong. So our answer is option B 2 only. Asian Productivity Organization is a union of 20 Asian countries headquartered in Tokyo, not all Asian countries. And these countries joined forces to promote socio-economic development in the region among members. It was established in 11 May 1961 as a regional intergovernmental organization and is considered to be non-political, non-profit and non-discriminatory. And current members of APO are Bangladesh, Cambodia, China, Fiji, Hong Kong, India, Indonesia, Iran, Japan, the Republic of Korea, Laos, Malaysia, Mongolia, Nepal, Pakistan, Philippines, Singapore, and Sri Lanka, Thailand, and Vietnam. That are the 20 countries who are members of APO. And it conducts research, offers advice, promotes sustainable development, and encourages members to share information and technology among themselves. And our National Productivity Council was established in 1958, so it is before APO. That's why statement 3 is wrong. And NPC is a constituent of the Tokyo-based Asian Productivity Organization. And guys, our today's quiz question is related with NPC only, National Productivity Council. The question is, NPC, National Productivity Council, works under which ministry? So please post your answers in the comment section. We will now move to last question for the day. Last question is with regard to global economic prospects. Consider the following statements. Statement 1, it is published by the World Bank. Statement 2, it is issued twice a year. Which of the above statements is correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, and option D neither 1 nor 2. Guys, the correct answer here is it is option C both 1 and 2. Both the statements are correct. Global Economic Prospects is a World Bank Group flagship report that examines global economic developments and prospects with a special focus on emerging market and developing economies. It is issued twice a year in January and June. January edition includes in-depth analysis of topical policy challenges, while the June edition contains shorter analytical pieces. And the recent edition of this GEP, that is Global Economic Prospect, says that the scope and speed with which the COVID-19 pandemic and economic shutdowns have devastated the poor around the world are unprecedented in the modern times, and current estimates shows that 60 million people could be pushed into extreme poverty in 2020 due to this COVID-19 pandemic. So it is a very important observation, and you may please see other observations related with this GEP. It would help in your mains answer writing. So that's it. That's all for today, guys. We'll meet tomorrow with another set of questions. Please post answer to the quiz question and your scores in the comment section. Thank you for watching.